Ever wondered how your diet affects your skin and aging process? Well, ponder no more. Today we're diving into the science behind the plate and the mirror, exploring the foods that can help maintain youthful skin and vitality. First on the list, we have berries. These tiny powerhouses are packed with antioxidants like vitamins C and E, and compounds like flavonoids and beta-carotene. Antioxidants, as research suggests, are the body's best defense against oxidative stress and UV-induced damage. So the next time you're reaching for a snack, consider a handful of blueberries or strawberries for a burst of skin-loving goodness. Next up, we have citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, you name it. These zesty fruits are rich in vitamin C, a key nutrient for collagen production. Collagen is what keeps our skin elastic and helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles. So be sure to add a squeeze of lemon to your water or a few slices of grapefruit to your breakfast plate. Then there are fatty fish and flax seeds, both excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s have been studied for their potential to reduce skin inflammation, which is often associated with premature aging. So, whether you're grilling a salmon steak for dinner or sprinkling ground flax seeds on your morning oatmeal, you're doing your skin a favor. Now let's not forget about water. Hydration is critical for youthful skin. Adequate water intake and the use of specific moisturizing foods are known to help maintain skin health. So remember, carry that water bottle with you and keep sipping throughout the day. Finally, consider foods rich in essential minerals like zinc and selenium. These minerals play a significant role in skin function and repair. Foods like oysters, nuts, and whole grains are great options to include in your meal plan. However, it's important to remember that the relationship between diet and aging is complex, and individual responses can vary. The term anti-aging is used in a general sense to describe practices and dietary choices that support overall well-being and the preservation of a youthful appearance. For a more personalized approach, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist. So, there you have it. A quick rundown of foods that can help nourish your way to youthful skin and vitality. Remember, it's not just about what's on the outside but what's on the inside that counts. Nourish your body, nourish your skin, and let the vitality shine through.